Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. We have pasta rigatoni with tuna in a garlicky tomato sauce. We begin with a pot, boiling water. We add a couple of pinches of salt, some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick, and now we add the pasta. Give it a nice stir, and we're going to let the pasta cook for around 12 minutes. The pasta has been cooking for around 12 minutes. It should be ready, so let's drain it and begin with the tomato sauce. We're going to use now a pan, medium to high heat, and let's add around a quarter of a cup of olive oil. Let's toss in now 3 cloves of garlic chopped up into little pieces and stir it around in the olive oil for a couple of seconds. Let's add now a nice chunky tomato sauce, and that's what we want because at the end we're looking for a nice thick tomato sauce. Let's add just a bit of water. Two nice pinches of pepper. Three to 4 nice pinches of salt. Stir the salt and pepper into the sauce a bit. Two nice pinches of oregano. And 1 bay leaf. We want medium heat and we want to simmer the sauce for around 8 minutes until it gets nice and thick. Now this is what we're looking for, a nice thick tomato sauce. Let's add the tuna now and stir it into the sauce. As soon as we're done stirring the tuna in the tomato sauce, we're going to add the pasta. Now, we want to give everything a really good mix so you get that lovely tomato sauce with tuna everywhere. And as soon as you're done mixing, it's time to serve. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.